Hey guys, this is just a quick video on the update of the flickering issue. So right now I have a few items added here. Okay, so we fixed a few things. The key thing here is to use the shortcuts. So shortcut number one is if you double click, you should be able to highlight both the items. So double click, so click one, then you click on tap and you tap again. It will actually go to the right now it's on this red box, so you tap again and it goes back to PC, and then 0, tap again, it goes to that. I can change this to 9 ringgit. Tap goes to the red box, taps goes to PC, taps goes back to quantity, tap back to 20. As you can see, it's pretty alright right now. Anyway, so that's just a quick update. Try to use the tab a bit more. If you need to, then double click, but actually if you keep highlighting it, I think that is the fastest. Okay, so this is just a quick update. That's it for now. Thank you.